Okay guys, hello, welcome back to my video. Well, as promised, in this video we'll do the Kenozen bass, which sounds like, well, I don't know how many steps, but just hear what I say. So first thing you need to do is just close your mouth. You don't need to open, but if you already master the technique, then you can, something like that. So just close your mouth and then make your cheeks like this. So if you make your cheeks like that, then go to the second steps, which you will swallow the air that is in your cheeks. You might probably hear a sound like air going through your throat. Well, try to control the air like downwards until your uvula or uvula have like a click, and probably it will sound out. Yeah, something like that. So if you already know how to do it, then you can do it like this without without your cheeks like this. So yes, you can do that. You can do a fast technique too, or maybe pair it with a lip roll, or maybe with humming. Just like Kenozen from SPX or Swiss Beatbox, shout out. So that is it for this video. It's not a long video, but yeah, only 2 minutes on doing it. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.